Welcome to Khloe's class. Welcome to Khloe's class again. Today we're gonna have a special guest, and her name is Unicorny. Welcome in, Unicorny. Hi, Unicorny. Why don't you say hi to everyone that is watching Khloe's class today?
Hello, guys.
How many days until Valentine's Day?
14 days until Valentine's Day, Khloe.
Oh, really? That's so fast. I know. I can make something for my special someone. So let's start. Today I'll be making a Valentine's Crystal Globe. So you'll need a cup with the lid, glue, colored paper or any kind of paper you have, Play-Doh, a cookie cutter that looks like a heart, but any kind of cookie cutter you have, scissors, eye cleaners, chopsticks, googly eyes, a pom-pom, some beads, hot water, and some borax. First, get your pipe cleaner and then let's shape it so it could look like the cookie cutter. Now twist it. And now take it out of the cookie cutter. And if it doesn't look like the cookie cutter, you can shape it with your hands. Now I'm going to just twist this a little bit more. Like this. So next, you have to ask your parent or adult to help you because borax is dangerous for kids. What do I need? Oh, I forgot my measuring tool.
Here you go, Khloe.
Oh, thank you, Unicorny. You're just in time.
Now I'm going to put the borax into the cup.
Now we pour it. Let's stir it. And then we're going to get our heart, put it over here. Then put it inside the borax, like that. Now we wait for one whole day. While we're waiting, we will make a little character. So get your pom-pom, then get your glue, and then put 2 dots, 1 and 2 dots. Now let's put the googly eyes on. 1 googly eye and 2 googly eyes. Now let's put the ears on. Put glue over the heart. Now let's put the ears. 1 ear, and now the second ear. And this is what it looks like. What do you think?
It looks great, Khloe. I love it.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Okay. So it looks like this. Now get your colored paper and then we're going to shred it with our scissors. So I'm going to use red. Now let's cut it. So first fold it so we can make a lot of them. Now let's cut it. Whoa! All done! Hey guys, this is what the heart looks like after one day. Do you like it, Unicorny?
Oh, yes.
Me too. So let's continue our project. Let's go. Now get your crystal shape and then fold it 3 or 2 times. Like this. Now let's get out our Play-Doh. Now we're going to make it as the ball. You could use a little bit more If it's too little, you have to make a medium-sized ball. Like this. And now, get your lid. Close the Play-Doh. Now get your heart and then stick it on the ball. And then shape it with your hands. Like this. And now get your shredded paper. Put it on the side, but try not to make a mess. Get your character and then put it wherever you want. Now let's put the cup. Oh no! I think the character is gonna fall off. Let me fix it a little bit. Then let's put our cup on top. Like this. See? And this is what it looks like. Do you like it, Unicornie?
Yes, it looks amazing.
I hope you learned how to make this crystal heart globe. And thank you for visiting. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.
Bye-bye, Khloe.
And bye to you guys too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you like the video. Bye.